Hey Dream Dolls, thank you guys for tuning into part 2. Hopefully you guys watched part 1. Link will be in the description. But in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my baby hairs as well as styling techniques and how I just finish her up to look fully melted. Thank you guys for watching. So to get started off, I'm just going to establish her part. She wanted a side part, curved side part. Gonna flat iron it, make sure it's flat. It looks so good. That's all scalp. That is what good bleaching, toning, and plucking does. If you guys want a tutorial on how I pluck, please let me know down below. Okay, I'm gonna start curling her. I parted her into 4 sections, her frontal section and then the 2 back sections. I did 1 back section off camera because my arm was always in the way. So hopefully you guys see what I'm doing. I have a self-rotating curling iron, so I really don't have to do much work. You wanna work smarter, not harder. And I'm already 6'3" doing hair, so when I wash hair I'm already bent over, so I don't want any carpal tunnel. I don't want any arthritis in my wrist. I do a lot of blow dries at school, so yeah, invest in some good quality tools that help you do great quality work. I'm gonna do an up close version so you can see what I'm doing with my curling iron once I get to the front. But when I do get to the front, all I'm gonna do is part out the baby hair by the ears. And since she has quite enough baby hairs, natural baby hairs, I'm only gonna take a little bit at the beginning of where her baby hair starts, just to blend it all in together. So basically in this clip right here, I'm just cutting her baby hairs that I am going to use off of the frontal to length. I'm going to press out everything real good, get it nice and flat, and hopefully you guys can see how I just curl my self-curling iron. If you guys want a better video, let me know. Just always make sure to curl away from the face, you guys. And the way you pin your curl is the way your curl will look. When curling the baby hairs, I like to put a comb right on the lace and then curl. That way the client feels a little bit safer, because sometimes you will get a love tap, but with that method you won't. I'm just gonna go in with some regular edge control because it is her natural edges, with just a little bit of frontal in there just to blend it all together. And I'm gonna swoop her normally. When I swoop the baby hairs that's on the frontal, I'm going to use the Got To Be gel in the black container. Now, I believe I used the yellow container, but I prefer the black. I just didn't have any more, so I used what was on hand. When doing baby hairs, don't be afraid to really play with that baby hair to get it how you want it. I usually comb my baby hair straight out. That way they're not bulky and all stuck together. And then I start to swoop. They lay a little easier like that for me. When I'm doing it on the frontal, I obviously curl them as you just seen, like that. And they're separated. They don't stick together. So it's also easier like that. You can see how the curl is just curling. You don't really have to do too much. Then I'm gonna put I just call these black strips. I make sure I put it in the back as well, and I'm gonna continue to style her as normal. By the way, when doing any type of curls, you do need some type of layers in the hair, just so that the curls don't all fall at one point. That's where you get the body from the layers. I did end up layering this hair off of camera, but if you guys do want me to make a video on my layering technique, it's literally straight principle out of the book. I did regular, pulled it out 90 degrees in the back, and then face framing for the front, and then I went in and cleaned up my face framing. But like I said, if you guys do need a detailed video on how I layer the wig and then properly curl it, because obviously this angle's kind of bad right now, I can do that. Just let me know down below. One tip I do want to give you guys is the higher up your curling iron is on the hair is where your curl is going to start. So I wish I didn't curl the hair so high up, but one good thing about that is when her hair does start to drop, it'll be exactly how I want it to be. So you guys have to make a 10% shift. Sometimes things aren't going to work out 100% exact how you want it to, but as long as you're not messing up someone's hair, I honestly could have went in with the hot comb and flattened that out, but it wasn't a problem to me. It's her birthday. I know she wants a lot of boom today, and then tomorrow will be a regular cool calm day. In this clip, I'm just going to take down her curls and brush her out. So I'm going to stop talking now and enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. So hopefully you guys watched the whole video through. I did give out a few gems and jewels. Hopefully you guys take what you need. But thank you for watching. This is the full and final result of my full lace wig installation. I will be having more videos. I'm gonna try to upload at least one or two every week, but editing this video literally took all day. I had to make an intro and outro. But again, thank you guys for watching this whole video through. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to see a specific video on a certain aspect of hair, please let me know down below, and I will try to upload that video as soon as possible. Thank you again, guys. Bye.